Hello teacher, talking about the past. My name is Tatiana Palacios Pajares. I lived in the village of Jonambu in the municipality of Huesaco with my parents, an uncle and an aunt. We live in the very nice house which had 6 rooms, a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, and in the bathroom. Our house was destroyed because an avalanche fell on it. After that, we went to live in the house that my father had in another town called Brussels. We lived there for a few years with my mother built a new house in Juanambu, and as the years went by, we all went to live in Juanambu again. At the time, I was still in primary school. The years passed, and in the finished my primary school and went on to high school. I graduated in the years 2016. I was 36 years old, and since my family and are low income people, I had to go to work in the village called Santa Maria. There I worked in the store where they sold groceries. I worked there for a year and a half, and I did 16 course. With my mother got sick and had to quit my job to take care of her, and as science I no longer had a hope. I also gave up, continued to study. I took care of my mother for your mother's until she recovered her health, and again I returned to the corregimiento Santa Maria. I found a job again in the store where I worked for 2 years. By then is a years old. A few more months passed. I boy go to my parents, and the father and my baby. This boy worked at the Montagas company with supplies, gas, bulk, and in the line with cylinders in the departments of Nariño. It was on the department that will at first he have me a hop in the shoulders warehouse. My boat worked a lot, and we managed to get the company to let use vehicle for the distribution of this product. During these days I still lived with my parents. After a few months we left together in the municipality of Huesaco. We continued working, and we managed to acquire our own vehicle and expand our bonuses. Our economy improved in a bit, and I was able to start studying at the Secar University for a degree in child pedagogy. I got pregnant at 21. I am currently 22 years old. I have been in a relationship with my parent of 3 years. I try to spend as much time as possible with my parents and uncles, with whom I grew up. I am constructor for the Montagas company. I for semester undergraduate student in child pedagogy, and mother. I am beautiful baby who is 2 months old. Thank you.